Look what showed up.
I wonder if we should put a piece of cardboard on top.
Y'all grab the bottom of it, I'll take the top.
Okay.
I'll put the ladder back. Until Matt can get a hold of it. Yep, let me get it to me. Let me step down.
Now, Duncan, I'm good, bro.
All right, I
We're
got
gotta walk up these windows. I'm just bouncing out on this side.
Just tell me what you want, Derek.
Okay, this is gonna be the fucking fun part.
You're ready, I can spin it.
Yeah, the problem is you guys should be taking it around. I don't know. I'm gonna keep a hand on it.
All right, there you go. You and a little bit of Bob.
I'm about to shoot it out to you. It's on my foot, so I ain't gonna let it
I
go.
think you on the other side of the
A
window.
little more, come on, come on.
No, don't stick it out no more that way.
That, you guys can back up. Okay, here.
Go on, pull the weight off the foot now. Do your back on there.
Ready? Pick it up. Here we go.
All right, you ready? You guys ready? It's all about you guys.
No, I'm gonna keep working on it. Austin, so just stay right there.
I'm not gonna go.
Alright. Here. Get it all on the wallboard?
Yeah.
Start bringing your end up. Yep, ready. Bring it up.
Okay. I don't want that flat, wait, I don't want that flat brick sitting on here outside of the wall.
Don't sit on the edge of the wall.
I wouldn't, yeah. I wouldn't.
Right there, let me get on the other side.
It's too heavy sitting on that edge. Look at that ladder place.
I know.
You good there?
Ready? Let's take the ladder.
Well, why did you say something? For not, no.
You ready, Matt?
Come on, y'all, come out. Come out, Matt.
I'm trying, hang on.
You got it, Matt? It's all you.
Oh, there we go. We got it, Bob.
Hang on, it ain't in there yet.
It is.
Right there now, it is.
You wanna go in?
You still gotta go in about a half inch. Put it down here on the bottom.
No, hold the window.
Make sure we got everything, the joints all right on the paper.
Grab them bags right there, can you? Or Matt can, hand them to me.
You got it, Matt? Is that a hammer drill?
Yeah. Oh,
You need one?
no. I do if you got,
Yeah.
I just got a bit.
Yeah, this will speed up the process.
Go ahead now.
Here, Ryan, go ahead and cut us a piece 3 foot. I mean, you could do a 36-inch knee wall, but I mean, you barely got anything open there. I mean, you could do that. If you wanted to leave it open,
That would look good.
yeah.
A knee wall.
Sheetrock it and put a cap on it.
Yeah.
You want to do that?
Yeah.
Okay, we'll do that.
That looks good.
Okay, Dan, right here, 46. Normally, if you do this, you go 3 inches from there. We'll stop it there. Actually, I'll go 2.5 inches. I'll go 2.5 inches. Let's see. Go 2.5 inches in the front of this. Then we'll stop it. We'll stop the wall right there. And then these other steps will come off from there. Then that way, your nose in, nothing sticks out below it.
This is why we have you.
What was that measurement you wanted over here?
Oh, this one?
Yeah.
Designing stairs on the fly.
22.
So you get Pop-Tarts and you only eat the outside, you don't eat the middle.
Yeah.
So it doesn't matter what kind it is.
No, it never matters.
So Kellogg's need to just start making Pop-Tart crusts.
That'd be awesome.
Look outside, it's tropical storm aftermath. So no better day than today to set windows, right?
You ready?
Good, man, you gotta be able to do that. You gotta be able to.
You good, Matt?
Yeah, he's back there.
You got a hand on the corner. Yep.
All right, watch the inside, you guys.
Come on at the same time.
Okay, watch there. All right, Matt. You sit right here. All right. You ready, Derek?
Yeah, I got the window. I got
Well, it's already the right way.
it.
I'll let go. It's all you.
Woo! That thing's having a fun. Oh, man.
You're at it?
Yep. I got this one over here.
Alright, one first. There you go, Aaron. Alright, needs to go. Yeah, it's
Hey,
in.
Tim, see if you can get your top. Watch your bottom over there, Derek. Good window. Is that the top? All you gotta do is just basically balance it.
Yeah, you come down and come up. Don't keep pushing me out.
I'm gonna say, I'm just holding it. That's all you. I know. You guys ready? I'm about to move my hands. Man, you gotta let me move my hand. I was trying.
good line to go with right now. You know, you see where it's dipped in here, but that works good.
That's what it shaved it. So we're furring out this ledge because it's not level. Trying to make it flat level and give us a backing for drywall. I'll show you what that was. Look at that line, the top of that foam. We could not drywall that. So we shimmed it and furred it out with that ledge, cleaned it up, and you'll never know. That's gonna do it for this video. We got the special shaped windows in the middle of a hurricane because these guys are crazy. We got the studio framed, we got everything cleaned up, trimmed up. These guys are about done now, so they probably won't be back until the porch roof framing is ready. So they did a great job. I want to thank Bob and Ducky and Matt and Ryan and Rob and Derek, right?
Yep, that's right.
They kicked butt, did a great job. We'll see you guys in the next video, and thanks for watching. That's all there is to it. Thank you.